Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps. Today I'm going to show you how to use Seafoam on your H2 Hummer before you change your engine oil. This is the full can. I'm going to use a 75% 3/4 in the engine oil, and the quarter I'm going to use with the fuel. So I'm going to open the hood. Once we open the hood, then we're going to open the engine fuel cap. So this is what happens when you use the Seafoam. It will clean injectors, clean carb jet, stabilize fuel, control moisture in fuel, quiet, noisy lifters, clean deposits, add lubricity to fuel, lube upper cylinders, de-ice and anti-gel. Please make sure that when you're adding into your engine, it should be cold. And we're going to use 75%. 25% portable gas. Now we're going to close. And the rest, I'm going to put it into my gas. Use a funnel because it has a lifter inside. Presses it, this one, and then the gas goes inside. Hummer has a longer cavity, so it will go in if you put it slowly. So we empty it out, and as you can see, went inside. Now we're going to place the cap back. So now we're going to start the car and let it idle for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we're going to shut the engine off. After adding the Seafoam, we'll let the Hummer idle for 15 minutes. Now I'm going to turn off the engine, then I'm going to change the engine oil, and please don't forget to watch that video, how do I change engine oil and oil filter. I hope this video is going to help you out how to use the Seafoam on your Hummer, and if this video helped you out in any way, please like, share, and subscribe Easy Step. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.